How to create reusable 3 columns end screen credits in DaVinci Resolve. Right-click in the media pool and select New Fusion Composition. Double-click on the composition to open it on the Fusion page. Add a background node and connect it to Media Out. Add a Text Plus node and connect its output to the output of background to merge it. Select the text, typecast, and change its style to your liking. Drag the text in the viewer a little upward. Add another Text Plus node and connect its output to the output of Merge node to merge it. Select the text, type or paste some positions like Director or Producer, 1 position per line, or you can leave a line blank if you want. Change its style to your liking. Make sure to click on these 2 buttons to align it to top and right. Select the first text, click on this button to pin it to Inspector, and click on Layout tab. Select the second text, right-click on Center Property and choose Expression. For the first point, type text1.center.x-point2. For the second point, type text1.center.y-point1. Pay attention to lower and upper cases here, it's important. Press Ctrl+C to copy text 2 and paste it with Ctrl+V. Connect the new text to the output of Merge to add another merge. Select the new text and paste some names 1 per line. Click on this button to align the text to center. In the Layout tab, in the expression, remove -point 2. Press Ctrl+C to copy text 2.1 and paste it with Ctrl+V. Connect the new text to the output of Merge to add another merge. Select the new text and paste some names 1 per line. Click on this button to align the text to left. In the Layout tab, in the expression, sum the first point with point 2. Now select the first text and by changing its position, other text's position will change. Move it to the bottom out of viewer, move playhead to the start, and click on diamond button next to center. Move playhead to frame 10 and increase Y until the last text is out of frame from top. If you give a possibility that your text might be longer, you can increase Y value. Select the last merge node, press Shift+space, search for keyframe stretcher, and add it. Set source start to 0 and source end to 10, stretch start to 0 and stretch end to 10. Now the animation lasts for the entire length of the composition. Now go back to Edit page and drag the composition into Timeline. The good thing about this is that if you change the size of the layer, it still works fine. Also, you can make a macro from it so you will be able to change the names easily on the Edit page. Select everything except Media Out, right-click and choose Macro, Create Macro. Set a name for it, and choose all the properties you want to be able to change on the Edit page. Here I only expand my 4 texts, check the Styled Text checkboxes, and give it a name. From File menu choose Save As. Go to Fusion, Templates, Edit, Generators, and save it in this folder. If the folder does not exist, make a new folder and name it Generators with S and capital G. Now close this window and go back to the Edit page. Open up Effects panel and click on Generators. Search for your effect and add it to Timeline. Now you can select the layer, and in the inspector change all the properties you have checked when exporting the macro. I only check Styled Text and I only can change them.